Starting on May 6th of 2014, the City of Lawrence Solid Waste Division will be implementing new residential trash collection routes. Half of our residential customers will be assigned a different day of the week for their trash day. The other 50% of our residential customers will not experience a trash day change. The city will be split in 4 sections for collection on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Customers living in North Lawrence and to the north of 6th Street will receive trash collection on Tuesday. For customers living south of 6th Street and to the north of Bob Billings Parkway and 15th Street, their trash day will be on Wednesday. Customers living to the south of Bob Billings Parkway and to the west of Louisiana Street will have their trash day on Thursday. Customers living south of 15th Street and to the east of Louisiana Street will receive trash collection on Friday. The goal in restructuring the residential trash routes is to create efficiencies in collection. And also, we want to define route size areas that will be able to be serviced by trash and recycling trucks on the same day. Our residential curbside recycling collection will begin this fall. It's important to note that our yard waste collection routes will not be changing. Monday will continue to be the yard waste collection day for all our residential customers. For more information regarding our solid waste division and our trash, yard waste, and recycling collection services, please visit our website.
I want to talk to you a little bit about our contracted work that will go on this summer. We have a microsurfacing project which basically involves patching and then a thin layer of asphalt with aggregate mixture.
We've started a new technique, and it's actually called spray injection patching, and it's something that we're doing more and more of. It lets us get out in some smaller holes and some minor surface defects, be able to do some repairs on those without having to remove the pavement.
And then we'll do a concrete rehab project on some of our concrete streets. That involves taking out bad sections of concrete to small areas all the way up to full panels and replacing those.
Well, internally we perform kind of an integrated portion of the street maintenance operation overall. We do crack sealing as a preventive type maintenance. We do pothole patching, of course. We do injection spray patching, which is kind of a long-term temporary patch. We'll do several miles of crack sealing. Last year we did about 120,000 pounds of crack seal material. We'll do quite a bit of pavement patching as well, with both asphalt and concrete as far as rehabilitation. We're extending the life of our pavements. We're actually, if we can get to them sooner, of course, it's much cheaper to do that type of work than it is to have to do total reconstruction.
We're going to have a lot going on this summer. We've got the intersection of 23rd and Iowa that we'll be doing some work. We've got the intersection of 6th and Iowa. We are also going to be doing mill and overlay on 19th Street between Haskell and Harper, and then also an overlay on Harper from 19th to 23rd Street. We also have the SLT project that KDOT is doing, but as part of that, the city is actually in conjunction with that project rebuilding 31st Street. So as you can see, we're going to be spread out throughout the entire community this summer, and we've got a lot of work to do, and it's going to be a busy summer for us.
In March, the City of Lawrence and Douglas County held a volunteer appreciation reception to say thank you to the hundreds of members of our community who volunteer on city or county boards, commissions, and task forces.
The thing that keeps me going and writing as a person is the volunteer effort and time that you guys put in, because that makes me realize that I get paid for my time, but you guys do it for the lump sum of zero right now, okay? And that is a fantastic tribute to the community.
We honestly could not do our work if you didn't do your work, and all together I think the work we're doing is helping us have a really fabulous community. Many thanks to your spouses and to your kids who also sacrifice so you can do your work, and enjoy.
Amen.
We asked a few of those volunteers what their thoughts were on why it is important to volunteer and what their experience has been on city or county boards.
I volunteer for this particular board just because youth sports was a really strong passion of mine, so it was a really good opportunity to take that passion and be able to contribute back to Lawrence.
And I volunteer on the board to, one, give back to the community, and the other one to promote aviation and keep aviation going in this area.
I think it's really important that the city has the input of citizens that use transit in making their decisions about transit.
We appreciate the support received from our boards and commissions. Your service to our communities is invaluable as we continue to provide programs that enhance the quality of life in the Lawrence and Douglas County communities.
Hi, my name is Shauna Trarbach and I'm with the City of Lawrence Stormwater Division. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to build your own rain barrel at home. First, you're going to need a 55-gallon barrel. You're going to need 3 different size hole saws, a 5-inch, a 3/4 inch, and a 1 1/4 inch. You'll need a filter basket, a 3/4 inch hose bib, an overflow hose, and if you choose so, a downspout adapter. This will actually go on your house and connect into the barrel once we're done putting it together. You're going to drill out the hole on the top of your barrel. This is where you're going to put your plastic filter basket into. This is what's going to filter out all of the water that comes off of your roof and into your barrel. This will catch all of the gunk. The next hole we're going to drill is going to be on the opposite side of where you drilled the 5-inch hole saw, and it's going to be for your hose bib at the bottom of your barrel. You're going to use the 3/4 inch hole saw, and you're going to drill it at the bottom. The third and final hole that you are going to drill is for your overflow hose at the top of your barrel. This hose can go in anywhere you want. Just make sure that when you're choosing where to put this hole that you run it away from your foundation and do not run it uphill. Once you have all of your holes drilled, you can start assembling and putting the pieces together. This will be your 1 1/4 inch tank fitting. Take your tank fitting, run your hand through the big hole, place it through your drilled hole, and then secure. The next part that we're going to adapt is the hose bib connection at the bottom. That is your 3/4 inch tank fitting. Take a piece of string, run it through your large hole in the top so it comes out the bottom with your partner. Pull the string tight, run the male end of your adapter on the string down to the hole. Then secure your adapter, putting your washer on first, and then putting your nut on. Your brass hose bib goes at the bottom of your barrel and screws into your adapter that you've placed down there. Be sure to wrap the end of your hose bib in Teflon tape to really secure it when you tighten it in there. Your overflow hose, you can buy a plumber's packet for a 1/4 or 1 1/4 inch. It comes with all of the pieces that you need. When attaching your barrel to your house, you can choose to take off an entire downspout and grab one of these. Makes it cheaper and easier so you don't have to cut your own downspout. Be sure to elevate the barrel off of the ground. That helps with the pressure to get the water out of the barrel. You can always go for an open top. Just make sure that you have a wire net over it so that bugs and debris cannot fall down in there. Be sure to secure it with a bungee cord, and then you would just run your downspout directly onto it instead of into the basket as in with the other one. 40% of your water consumption over the spring, summer, and fall months goes towards outdoor activities, watering your gardens, washing your deck, washing your car, things of this nature, all of which you can do with the rainwater that you collect off of your roof. I hope you consider building a rain barrel for your house or garden. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at 832-3136.